Hi folks, today I'm going to try Vietnamese egg coffee. Coffee and egg combination, it's quite interesting, isn't it? But this one has got an interesting backstory as well. This coffee was invented back in 1940s in Hanoi, which is the capital city of Vietnam. During that time, there was a scarcity of milk in Vietnam, and this guy named as Van Gian, who was working in a cafe, he thought, why can't we use egg yolk and sugar combination instead of milk? He tried it, it became an instant hit in Vietnam, and this guy actually ended up starting his own cafe. Okay, now let's get back to business. Before I start preparing coffee, let me give you a brief about what we are going to do. It's pretty simple. There are only 3 steps involved, remember. Step 1, you need to brew your coffee. Step 2, you need to mix egg yolk and condensed milk until it becomes a cream. Step 3, put your cream on top of your coffee. Done. Step 1, I have a coffee filter here. Then I have coffee powder here. This is a normal filter coffee powder. Now I am going to put 4 teaspoons of coffee here. Now I have 1 full cup of hot water and I will slowly pour it in the filter. Now we need to wait for the coffee to brew. I'll just close it, and this could take some time, maybe 10-15 or maybe more minutes. Step 2. Our coffee is brewing there, and in the meantime let's try to make the cream. Next step is I'm going to separate the egg yolk from this egg. Okay, not bad for the first time. Next, I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon, full tablespoon of milk made, condensed milk. Okay, now we have to beat this egg and condensed milk combination. Let me start doing that. So we have to keep doing this for around 5 to 10 minutes until this becomes a creamy mix. You could add a little bit of sugar if you want, maybe half teaspoon of sugar. So we have done the beating for 10 minutes. Let's look at it. Okay, I'm gonna pour this coffee here. Okay, this should be good. Now it's a moment of reality. I'm gonna pour our cream spoon by spoon. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so our Vietnam egg coffee is ready. This is not the most beautiful Vietnam egg coffee ever made, but taste is what matters, right? So let's try it. It's the cream first. Drink the coffee. This is good. The thick coffee is coming through the egg cream mixture. It's pretty good. This is heaven. So folks, the summary is raw egg is not everyone's cup of tea, or for that matter cup of coffee. But if you could overcome that, and if you love coffee, this is a must try. This is awesome.